to where we're at with my house. So the situation is, last Saturday we'd washed some of the walls down, but Balfour didn't do a good job of the cleaning, so we started washing the walls down. So that was on Saturday of last week, and then I woke up on Sunday morning feeling ill, and I'd only getting I think it was tonsillitis. Well, I'm assuming I had tonsillitis. My partner was ill with that. She went to doctors and they diagnosed her with tonsillitis, and I think I caught that from her. So I've been bad all week. It is now Thursday, and this is the first day where I've felt where I've had any energy to do any work. So I had some things to sort out this morning, get some plaster, stuff like that, and to sort some other things out. And so the cleaners have been in all week, and when they came in on Monday, I showed them what we'd done, and I gave one of the guys a mop, and I said, right, that's how we've got the walls. There's a mop. That's how I want you to get the walls. So they've turned around and they've actually got the walls cleaner than they started at the beginning of the week. But we're still having to try and get it better from there. So let's turn the camera around and I'll show you where we're at. First, this spare room at the top of the stairs. So that's how black they've left the ceiling, or how clean as they get in the ceiling. So I'm now scrape that back and give that 2 coats of PVA ready to plaster it. So that's how clean they've got the walls compared to last week. Still not good enough, but it is what it is. They're taking the water, so I just want to get them out of the house as quick as possible. So we're taking over, as I said, and we're going to finish off cleaning. So there's this room is virtually ready to plaster that ceiling, and then I don't know whether I'm going to turn around and skim this off yet, or just seal the walls, then paint it out. I'll decide as I go along with the job. So this is the box room. So we've got this one, the walls washed off our way today, and there's still some marks on the wall, but it's better than the way Balfour have left it. So that's this room, that's the ceiling. That light needs to be taken down because that's been BER, so that needs to be replaced, and so that, we'll take that down as we move along with it. Okay, so that's this room. Now moving on to the main room, which is my bedroom. What I've already done today is, as you can see, I've skimmed that ceiling off. I've skimmed that wall off there, and that wall there. So that's 3/4 of this bedroom done. All I've got to do tomorrow, this is the TV aerial for the sky. I'm going to chase that into the wall tomorrow. I'm going to run it back to on this side to where the wall bracket goes. That's where we're at today, guys, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Alright guys, welcome back. So it's now Saturday, and we've been doing some work in the house today, and it's Saturday evening. It's roughly about 6, 7 o'clock-ish, something like that. And now I'm going to have a walk through the house and show you exactly how far we've gotten with the job. Okay, so let's see, we've got this light on. That's the light on, right. So as you can see, even to where we've got now without no paint on the walls, there's much more light in here already. Now we've got the smoke off the walls. So starting from here, I've done that little ceiling there. Walking up the stairs, we've done the header. That ceiling's been plastered, as you can see. The coven has been sealed with stain block. So that sealing has been done, so what I'm going to do now is get some new architrave around the loft hatch and obviously get it painted. You can see the walls have been stain blocked. So this we can see now, moving this way into the box room. This has been totally stain blocked. Still got to get that light down yet. So this room is now ready for paint. Right, moving into the main room. The whole room's been skinned. The coven has been painted with stain block. It's just about dry. So I reckon by tomorrow this room will be dry. I should be able to paint this out tomorrow or Monday, depending on whether I'm going to work or not yet. Moving into this room, I decided just to skim the ceiling on its own and stain block the coven and the walls. So yeah, so now that's this room ready for paint. Right, so that's where we're at with the job. It's coming on nicely since we got rid of Balfour for the cleaners. So now there's a big difference in house. I can actually see it's starting to come together now, and that's before we even get paint on the white, the colour on the walls. So the plaster is nearly there. I've got a day left in the staircase of plastering. That's where we're at for now, guys. So until tomorrow or Monday, I'll catch you shortly. Alright guys, well, welcome back. So at the moment, obviously I'm doing the job myself, so we're not getting on as quick as I anticipated. I've had business to sort out, and I've also had other things to sort out for the insurance purposes and stuff like that. But anyway, we're getting through it. Today's been a pretty productive day. I've finished the plastering off and we've got some painting on. So let's turn the camera around and we'll show you what we've done. Walking upstairs, and then as you can see, started the painting. So, coven's had 2 coats on here, the light and the ceiling's had 1 coat, same one here. That's had 1 coat. This bedroom here has had 2 coats of paint on the coven and on the ceiling. I'm moving through, that ceiling's been painted, coming through here in to one of the spare rooms. Ceiling's had 3 coats, coven's had 3 coats of white, and the walls I've had 1 coat of magnolia. So this needs another coat of magnolia and the gloss work doing. Moving through into the main bedroom. That ceiling's had 2 coats of paint, and the walls have had 1 coat of magnolia. It's Thursday tomorrow, it's Wednesday, Thursday, I'm back to work. So we're back Friday. We'll hit the ceiling first, the coven first, and then we'll put another coat of paint on the walls, and then we'll turn around and start the gloss work. Good morning, welcome back guys. It is now Wednesday, so we're roughly a week in to the project. We're nearly through with the job. We're getting quite a way through with the work. and the bedrooms are just about there, as well as the staircase is almost finished. So there's a little bit of things to do in the staircase, which is obviously the gloss work, and then there's a little bit touching up to do in the bedrooms where I've had to do a few little like minor repairs. So let's turn the camera around and I'll walk you through.
Right, so we'll start with the staircase. So we put the new piece of timber on there yesterday, countersunk the holes, and I filled them so they're ready to rub down, undercoat and paint. I caused a little bit of damage just there, putting that on, so let's just rub down and repaint again. So let's have a walk through and we'll show you what we've done. So if you can remember, you couldn't see up here even with the light on because the walls were that black, you just couldn't see a thing. So that wall, we took that back to the Artex and it's been replastered and obviously painted. So we've got a new fire alarm on there. Let's walk up the stairs. And as you can see, that ceiling was plastered and painted. The new light up. Obviously, them woods there, that's got to be sanded down, undercoated and glossed with the rest of the woodwork. This is the grandchildren's room, if you can remember. This was black, and now it's lovely and clean. Brand new lighting for the beds. There we go. New lighting with soft lighting bulbs. Curtain rail up ready for new curtains, and the blinds, we're ready to get them done now. So we're going to phone the company that put them in last time and get them to come out and fit some new blinds for me. Okay, so that's the Ben's room. Moving back through. You remember these doors were black. We've now got them lovely and clean. New paint, freshly painted, everything looks brand new now and tidy. Moving into my room. Remember how black that door was? So I completely replastered this room and started from scratch again. But when I went to put that socket back on, I realised that one of the screw, where the screw goes, was damaged, so I had to take the back out and put a new back in. So doing that, there's actually a new socket going to go on there as well. So doing that caused a bit of damage, and obviously I've had to do a little repair, which is a shame, but it is what it is. So that'll get painted and then it'll be ready to go. Same light as in the children's room, in my room, so we've got the same lights all the way through. Right, so that's my room. Now we're back into, which was my daughter's bedroom. So we left the holes because we're going to put another shelf back where that one was, and the TV bracket's going to go back up there. So that's why the trunk has been left on the wall and them holes have been kept. That's the upstairs, guys. The bathroom, I'm not going to show you the bathroom yet because obviously I haven't done anything in there. It's still the same as it was. So the bathroom is going to be like the next job once I've got all the painting done. So we'll basically do the upstairs. After today, we'll be ready for the carpets to go down. That's it for now, guys.
Bye.